Hey beauties, welcome back to Glowenvy with another exciting episode of Unconventional Beauty Hacks. We all love a good beauty hack, right? Those little tricks that make our routines easier and more fun. Sometimes the weirdest things make the best primers. You'd be surprised at what can work wonders. Huda Beauty taught us that. KY jelly? Yes. Milk of magnesia? Absolutely. These unexpected items can be game changers. So today, we're trying something new. We're always on the lookout for the next big thing. We're testing Vagisil as a makeup primer. Yes, you heard that right. We're using the Itch Relief formula and the Maximum Strength one. Both have unique textures. Don't worry, this isn't about what the product is traditionally used for. It's all about innovation. We're just curious about its texture and how makeup sits on top. Will it hold up? We're just curious about its texture and how makeup sits on top. Will it hold up? Think of it like a fun experiment. Beauty is all about trying new things and having fun. We're putting Vagisil on one half of the face and my trusty Makeup Forever primer on the other. This will be interesting. Let's see how they compare. Will Vagisil stand up to a professional primer? Stay tuned to find out. First up, let's talk about how these primers feel. The Makeup Forever primer is like silk, smooth and glides on effortlessly. The Vagisil, it's surprisingly smooth too, but it has these tiny little granules. And oh my God, the tingling. It's like a cool breeze on your skin. The tingling calms down after a minute or two, but it's definitely something to note. Imagine putting on your makeup and feeling that cool, refreshing sensation. It's kind of amazing. Now for the moment of truth. Foundation time. We're going to see how well these foundations blend on different sides of the face. We're using the same foundation on both sides, but with different primers underneath. On the Makeup Forever side, the foundation blends beautifully. As always. No surprises there. Now, the Vagisil side. This is interesting. The foundation doesn't exactly clump up, but it kind of melts into the Vagisil. It's a unique reaction. It's like they become one, creating this super smooth, almost airbrushed finish. I wasn't expecting that. The result is quite surprising. Looking at both sides, the Vagisil side actually looks smoother. The texture is more refined. The Makeup Forever side looks a bit more normal. It's still good, but not as impressive. The real test will be how it looks after a few hours. Will the Vagisil side hold up? Let's find out.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams into modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I